What you talking about? Is Jaden Place?
Anytime let your man be a one night router. Like say I must stop by a Benz man type C class per
Your Vybz Kartel roll out the new X6. And you know the style now. When you roll out, whether you a snap or your girl a snap, you have to turn to her and say, "Kiss me, baby." Vybz Kartel found out and drop even a new meme. Now that song there, listen. Him and him youth. Bad song, big song. Make sure you stream the new music. You know what I mean? Where some people are asked for some new music video. Vybz Kartel forward back with him image. Cane row and round up, moon line up. Yeah man, and the teacher look healthier. If you are the people made that talk in our day, see Vybz Kartel gonna a selfie. And show the fans them, say what you know? Everything good. The image there, music video can go shoot tomorrow. The interview them can start do tomorrow. But right now, Vybz Kartel are going easy with the family. You know what I mean? Make a drive out. Big X6, new machine. We know the teacher was just a Benz. You know what I mean? Now him got BMW. You don't know if a new Benz is on the way. You don't know if I get one of the new JLE them. But for right now, him a roll out the X6. Now, Sean Storm also something. Sean Storm go live, him drop a new track. You know what I mean? And a visualizer for the track. You know what I mean? So you don't know people can have something to go and see while them listen to the new music. You know what I mean? And go and hold a vibe. Him say him knows that some of the fans them too did switch. Because some fans never know if Vybz Kartel and Sean Storm did they go get released. But him say they have some other fans. But they always I say them know point blank say Vybz Kartel and Sean Storm would be released. They make hear from Siva and they will continue reasoning. Look and listen.
Jamaica worst game man. When I go listen in vlog, him break down the song the perfect way. The song named No Blood. And it's a visualizer, it's not an official video, it's just a visualizer people. For the real Gaza people, them can see back Siva and I road and know say, yes, Siva really there road. You see, big up all our own way I send the gift them man. My son man, the loyalists them man, the real Gaza nation them man. We never give up man. We always know so we are come and road. Because some Gaza people they give up, you know. And say, yo, me I go over here so because come and know what I go on the Gaza. But you see the real Gaza people they stay so. Say, yo, we're not going nowhere. Real boss and Siva if you forward the road, who know? Pick up on yourself, who are the true loyalists them, you hear that? So the song No Blood now, I want to go over there, you know. I'm going to run up the view. I want to bring it to 100K before 7 o'clock tonight. 100K before 7 o'clock tonight. That's what I aim for. You see me? Yeah man, No Blood is a song where I talk about while a man have a woman and you have a loyal girl until something happen. You see, so my situation as well, I say, my reality, how me feel, how me experience, that me sing about. Nobody can come tell me right. So my reality is, me did have a cat before I go to jail, when I drop a jail, she go give her the sitting. Long story short. So me sing a song here. So if you even listen to the second verse, that say, woman for me reach a jail switch, will never call her bitch, but fuck relationships. Yeah, broken heart can love unless it fix. Only thing me love you know what me that time me Netflix. Might have sound fuck up. People used to come around for the links. Some man will say them real, them wanna steal them a zinc. But want them do you similar with them do Mr. Finch. Them heart cold, me heart cold too. Pussy hole you, take a knife and cut me and I see no blood around. So yeah man, I wanna go over there go run up the views brother. 100K we want to get before 7 o'clock tonight. Yeah, you see? You don't know man, I zombie man. You don't know that. All of the real loyalists, them see it ya. Anytime you see me anywhere in the street man, just say Siva, zombie, loyal boss. You don't know man, love on. You don't never know my love on that. Yo.
No one a lie, Siva. Some fans can pretend as if Siva don't know what I'm talking about. Some fans can play naive. Some fans can pretend like say the people in the seat. But we know. You have some people never believe say Vybz Kartel and Sean Storm then they don't get free. Even when you tell them, say, yo, them all get free. To some question with them ask. You can't say them themselves. Doubt it. Something when them write in the comment section more. What? We know them are fans because listening to dancehall music at that certain point in time, 09, 08, 010, 011, 012, there was nothing else you could have said. Not saying they weren't other artists who have put out music, but who was the dominant artist then and still no? Vybz Kartel. So we know say people who are fans of dancehall music, whether they want to say it or whether they don't want to say it, if you listen music from them time, of course, you are a big fan of Vybz Kartel. Major fan of Vybz Kartel's music. Some people might say, oh, like the music, but not, whatever you want to say, we are talking about the music. You are, of course, fans of the music. So, for years, Steve say, he knows that some fans, they kind of switch and go on over this. Because they must say, boy, they not too know what go on. You see me? The people them like to hear fresh music. And you know Vybz Kartel have a whole heap of songs. So Vybz Kartel will always have fresh music for the fans them here. So they have a whole heap of songs too. But there's just something about seeing your favorite artist, or at least just knowing your favorite artist is free. But there's something about seeing your favorite artist on social media. You know what I mean? Even just them a drive out them car like I was the Vybz Kartel a drive out in car. Even just them a go live like I was the Siva go live. People like to see them thing there. Remember, part of social media or part of the way how artists and entertainers use social media to connect with fans. So in this day and age, the people must say, yo, a large percentage of the society spend a large percentage of them time on social media. Of course, people want to see them favorite entertainers. So for a long time, I guess fans knowing the Vybz Kartel and see about them incarcerated. And now, you know, yeah, they might see the occasional picture on the social media, but them now get to see them go live, can't interact with them a certain way. Some people definitely kind of give up hope. And I said, they don't know. It never changed their mind from saying Vybz Kartel are the best dancehall artists. Guys are the best musical camp. It never changed from that. But the fact say, yo, them now see the entertainers, you know what I mean? You just gotta do something to, I guess, the vibes of the people. But know that Vybz Kartel, chance down them there, yo, once more again, we can say, yo, dancehall music as a Gaza. At this moment in time, dancehall music, I just Vybz Kartel. Any move Vybz Kartel make, anything where him say, anything where him do, him show some picture with him new look, yo, the people in a buzz. The people in a frenzy. Vybz Kartel roll out the X6. The people want to know what go on. Vybz Kartel turn to him fiancé and say, kiss me baby. It thing turning a meme. We see everybody upon the media. Everybody upon the media. All the influencer them. We see the word they make them meme, recreate the meme. You know what I mean? Teacher wrote again the X6. I have to say it again. That's what we talk about. Entertainment. That's why we can say Vybz Kartel are one of the best entertainers we have ever seen do it. You might not agree, you might have your own opinion on who you feel like are the best entertainer to have ever done it. You know what I mean? But you have to say Vybz Kartel is on that list. We ever hear the people in the hip hop circles that talk about that top 5. In a dancehall music, in the top 5, Vybz Kartel in the top 5. And some people that say, yo, him a 1. Yeah, man. The man that say, just like Kendrick said, there is no big tree, I just him. There is no big tree in dancehall music, I just Vybz Kartel. I young lads also do it all. Talk to me now, man. But tell me what you think. If you're new to the channel, pass through, click the subscribe icon and the bell icon, and of course put it on all. And this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. And until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours are for to live, love and prosper, and for to stay tuned.